Michel Lotito wasn't like other people. While you eat sandwiches, he ate glass, rubber, and metal. And not just a little. Over the years, he devoured shopping carts, TVs, and eventually, an entire airplane. A Cessna 150, 1,100 pounds of metal, eaten piece by piece over 2 years. Doctors were stunned. His stomach lining was twice as thick as normal. Nothing could hurt him. They called him Mr. Eat-All. He holds the Guinness World Record for the world's strangest diet. Why would someone do this? And how many more impossible feats are hidden in plain sight?